Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Today I'm continuing my room by room declutter in my laundry room. I am also doing a reorganization on it at the same time that I'm going to show you in a separate video. And I'll put the link for that in the description box down below, as well as maybe an iCard up above. I'm not sure which one will get posted first. Hopefully I'll post this declutter one first. But in any case, I hope this will give you some motivation to declutter your laundry room as well. Stay tuned. So here are the items I am decluttering from the laundry room, and I am going to get rid of them. So this is an old plastic container. I'm moving away from using plastic to glass. This is still in fairly good shape, so I may donate this, but I don't need it. It has been sitting on a top shelf in the laundry cabinet for years now. And then this is Right Silver Cream, but it is almost empty, and I have two fresher ones. This one's pretty dried out, so I'm going to toss that. I probably will recycle these. These came with our utensil holders in the dishwasher, but we don't use them. We don't like to have slots that the utensils go into, so I'm probably going to recycle those. And then this is an extra cover for our cabinet doors in the laundry room, and there's like a hole where the handle goes, or you can, it's not actually the handle. If you want to switch which side the hinges go on, you can cover it up. But I checked and all the doors have covers on them, so this can be tossed. And then you're wondering why I'm getting rid of this. This is the outlet cover from the light switch, but I don't know if you can see that. It is cracked, and I bought a new one quite a while ago, and I finally got around to putting it up, so I'm on the wall. So I'm going to get rid of the cracked plate and the bag for the new one. And then this is a sponge that came with a silvering kit, and it didn't work very well. I ended up using cotton pads to do the work, so I'm going to toss this. Here's an old dust cloth. I have not used this in years. It's the old kind that's more felt-like, and now I use microfiber cloths because I think they work a lot better. These tended to just push the dust around. And then out in our garage we had some glass cleaner, and I actually was able to make room so that we can store all the glass cleaner in an organized fashion in the garage. So that's going. And then these, I think one of my daughters had bought them when they were at college. I have tried using them, and they leave a grainy residue on our clothing. And so I am not going to be using these anymore, so I'm just going to toss those. And then I found this empty Brillo pad type box in the cabinet. So I'm going to toss that, recycle that. So that's my decluttering for the laundry room. Thanks for watching. I hope you were motivated to go and clean out and organize one of your rooms in your house, or even just a small area, because sometimes cleaning out an entire room can be overwhelming. That's why I'm doing this small space organizing series. If you did like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, I post several videos a week, usually Tuesdays and Thursdays, but often more than that, on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. I hope you'll join me again next time. Take care.